How's it going, YouTube? So today's video is going to be this smoke detector.
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys.
That's him.
Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
Okay, I'm going to add a smoke alarm. Smoke alarm and carbon monoxide detector. The one I bought is just from Lowe's, or excuse me, Home Depot. You want to toss me that box, Lincoln? Just this guy. It was actually from Home Depot. They had this is just the cheapest one they had that was a combo. Smoke detector and carbon monoxide. They have a bunch to choose from. But they're all virtually the same. First thing you're going to do, this has 2 parts to it. The main bracket that you mount onto there, and then the smoke detector just mounts to that, just screws onto it. So first I need to mount my bracket. This little cheap kit did not come with any screws. I just had a couple around. It doesn't really matter what you use in this. Okay, by the way, I don't know what this electrical spot here was supposed to do. It was on a switched plug right here. I just cut out the switch and wire nutted the connections back in there because I don't want my smoke alarm to be on a switch that the kids will mess with. Ever since we moved into this house, there's just been a wire there and a switch here, and it's never been hooked up to anything. And it's in such a weird spot that it doesn't make sense to be a light or anything like that. So we're making it a smoke detector because there's not one on this level. So my situation, I already have a wire ran. They make wireless and wired smoke detectors, so you can do whatever fits your spot the best. The nice thing about the wired ones is you don't have to worry about batteries. It has a backup battery in it. That's just if the power goes out. I've mounted my housing here. Technically, you should check and make sure there's no power here, which I do have power. I can just disconnect one of these wire nuts here real fast and not have power. No power. Then I need to strip back the insulation on this wire. Then you need to get a pair of wire strippers. The smoke detector comes with this little electrical adapter. Black to black, white to white. This one does not have a ground, which doesn't really matter because it's such low voltage and everything going through it. I believe this orange wire is to connect smoke detectors to each other, so if one goes off, they all go off. We're not worrying about that. My wire connections are made. Freaking trickiest part right here. Hey Maxie, you gotta be quiet.
No, I'm not talking.
Your toy is talking.
Okay, keep your toys quiet. Okay, done. Oh, let me plug it back in here.
It's gonna be way brighter.
And I can see I have a green light on, which means we're good with power. Is that the test?
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay, all done. Easy as that.
But I agree.
Also, this smoke detector came with a shower cap.
A hairnet.
So that's kind of nice. It's just a small one though.
Don't
Just a baby
ruin
one.
your color.
Perfect.
So an added plus. All right, thanks guys. We'll see you next time.
This is just a sneak peek of our video for next week. We were able to go on a really fun road
Hey,
trip
slow down,
a few weeks
Maxie.
ago.
Let me come up next to you. Oh yeah, this is pretty hot. You want to hold him?
Yeah.
Hold your hands out. I'll put him in there. That's pretty cool, huh?
Whoa.
We used to catch these as kids all the time. We'd go fishing and I'd spend the whole time trying to catch them.
Mom, do you want to hold it?
No thanks.
Yeah, that wind squish along. Yeah, baby! Woo!
Maxie, stand sideways.
Okay.
So you fit sideways. Hey Sawyer, do you fit sideways?
What?
Do you fit shoulder to shoulder? Do you fit sideways?
Barely.
Barely.
Yeah.
I definitely don't fit sideways.
Yeah.
And it's going uphill too. I don't know, guys.
Jesper offered helpfully.
We'll have the full video for you guys next week. Thanks for watching.